This is a beautiful root system that I dug out of the garden quite a while ago, and it's just been sitting there, and I thought what a perfect time to get it treated and ready to put into one of my tanks. You can't see the whole thing right now. I'm trying to hold it with one hand, but it's truly incredible. It's got such beautiful colors through it, and it's just going to look sensational in a tank. But obviously going into a tank, there's procedures I need to take and precautions to make sure that it's safe for my frogs, because they breathe through their skin, so I can't treat it with obviously any chemicals. I would really like to start off by sanding it. Obviously with my hands at the moment, I haven't got too much movement in this one. I can't use my traditional sander, it's just too dangerous and too big. So I saw online they had some really cool options. I'll put that. I found this particular power tool on Amazon, which is really cool. It comes in a really neat packet. I'm hoping it works. And hopefully I read the instructions correctly and can do this safely and actually get a result out of it. It was $26 and free postage, so really I can't complain, and if something goes wrong, it's probably me. It's USB chargeable, which is great. It's already charged. Different settings. It's got a torch, which I thought was really cool, especially because, as you can see, I've got artificial light going at the moment because I prefer to do things at ridiculous hours. And it's also got a heat gauge where it says it's got a heat gauge with holes at the back. Where did I see that? I swear I'm not making that up. I did read a little bit, and it said, warning, check damaged parts, polishing, rouging, grinding and sanding. Yeah, well, don't worry about that then. We'll talk about that later because I've got no idea what it is, so I'll have to read up on that. I obviously know that I bought it for these specific parts. I'll just show you. So it came with a lot of different extensions and spare ones of these, because that's ideally what I'll be using. I've put one of these onto this directly, and that's what I'm going to start by giving a go. Okay, so I'm going to use the piece that looks like this, but it's black, and I've just taken one of these and popped that on top. So that's quite secure in there. I actually can't get it off. Then I'm going to click this button here to pop that in, and then just hold that and twist it in quite tightly so it can't come out. Ooh, fancy. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, let's speed it up. We are just about to finish up here. We've gone through 2 of the little miniature sanding heads. So I'm debating, what do you think? Do we need to do another round of sanding or leave as is? I'd love to hear your suggestions. What would you grow on it? Put it in the comments below. And please support me by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.